guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review a product from brand Kiss Beauty, and it is another Kylie dupe, and the name of the product is 24K Gold Edition Kiss Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. So I think they are the dupes of Kylie Jenner's birthday edition, which came around in 2017. So she launched a gold birthday edition. So they have the Kiss Beauty people have named it as 24K Gold Edition, and she I think have named it as Birthday Gold Edition. And as per my information, I think it has got 6 shades. But this Kiss Beauty brand has got more than 6 shades in this range. Currently I have only 4 of them, so I'll be reviewing those 4. I'll be showing you those 4 shades, and the packaging and everything we'll discuss in the review. So I wanted to do a very quick review of these liquid lipsticks because there's not a lot of thing to talk about. So let's just do the review in a jiffy and go into the swatches. So first and foremost, the packaging. The packaging is like this. It has got golden cardboard kind of a packaging at the back and at the front, and typical Kylie lips and dripping lipstick. It's very similar to Kylie liquid lipstick packaging, and the cardboard is general normal cardboard, and inside the cardboard you will have the two things. That is, one is a lip liner, and another one is a liquid lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick, and they are quite similar to what Kylie Jenner has put in the birthday edition. And this is how the applicator looks, the liquid lip liner looks, and it has got a cap like this, and this is the lip liner, and this is the doe foot applicator of this liquid matte lipstick. There is nothing too fancy or too great about it. It's a normal liquid lipstick packaging. This is normal lip liner packaging. There is nothing to be very fancy or something. This is good to go in bag, good to go in pockets, very lightweight, very handy. So the packaging is overall really nice. The pricing of this product retails for ₹5.99 for 5 ml of liquid lipsticks and 1 gram of lip liner. So but I got it an offer on Amazon for ₹170 or something. So I'll put the link in the description box. If it is still available, you can definitely go and buy. So I think the pricing is quite okay. I'm getting a lip liner and liquid lipstick for ₹170. For $5.99 also it is quite okay, but you know, for once, if you're getting it for $170, then why not $170? So that's all about pricing and everything. Now let us go into the performance of this product. So I have used this product, and this product, I'm telling you guys, this liquid lipstick is good at performance. The only drawback of this liquid lipstick is that it makes our lips sticky. That is a big major drawback, I understand, but that is the only drawback it has. It stays for really long time. It does not dry out lips very much. Like if you use a lip balm or Vaseline beneath this liquid lipstick, you are not going to have any dryness. Currently I have used Vaseline below my lips, below this lipstick, and it is very creamy. It looks on my lip. It does not dry up me out. Only the problem is that it makes my lips sticky. I'll show you right now. So it makes the lips little sticky. So whenever you are going to chap your lips, you are going to feel the stickiness. This lipstick does not go anywhere. It will not transfer. It is absolutely transfer proof. The color actually stays onto your lips for a really long time. If you're drinking something, eating something, the liquid lipstick is going to last you really long. So this is an everlasting kind of liquid lipstick. You're going to actually use a remover, an oil-based remover to remove it. This will not go with the face wash also. It's completely waterproof and great performance. The only thing that it gets a bit sticky, so I would recommend that you use a lip balm beneath this liquid lipstick. Then it will be less sticky. I'm not saying it will be completely non-sticky, but it will be less sticky. So I think from my side, I think that this liquid lipstick gets a good thumbs up. Only for the stickiness, I really don't like it. Otherwise, this is a really good range of liquid lipsticks. And that's it for this review, and now we'll go into the swatches.